Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. Brandon is behind me tinting a Hyundai Elantra, and I wanted to answer the question, what do the window tinting shades or percentages mean whenever they talk about the percentage of film? It goes like this, very simply, very easily. The percentage is how much of the light is allowed through the tint. So at 5% film, you're blocking 95% of the light. It's very, very dark. At 20% film, you're blocking 80% of the light. Still pretty dark. At 35% film, you're blocking 65% of the light. So with window tint, the lower the percentage, the darker the tint is going to be, and the lower amount of light that is going to be allowed in through that film. So the higher you go in percentage, the lighter the film is going to look. And we get asked this question very commonly, and I think it's a reasonable explanation, because a lot of people think, just because of the way that people reason, that okay, the darker the percentage, or the higher the percentage, the darker the tint's going to be. That's actually not true. It's the exact opposite, because you're measuring the amount of light that is allowed through that tint. So the darker the tint, the lower the percentage that you're getting on the vehicle, and the darker the tint is going to look, and the least or less amount of light that is going to be allowed through that film.